how to find liked photos, videos, or posts on Facebook. So if you want to find that, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. And here, after opening, now you can go to the upper right corner which has the three bar icon, and then you can simply tap on your profile. Right beside edit profile you will have a three dots icon. Tap on that, and then here you will have a bunch of options. You can simply tap on activity log, and then from here you can scroll right side, or you can also simply tap on public post, and here you will have all of your public post. So you can see your public post from here, and you can simply go back, and then you can scroll right side and you can go to page likes, and from here you can see that what you have liked on your Facebook, and you can go back and then you can scroll right side and you can go to your comments, and you can see all of the comments which you have commented on others post. And after that you can also go to likes and reactions, and from here you can see that the likes which you have liked on others photos. So that's it. That's how you view your liked photos, comments, or post on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.